Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I did another painting using the Fiona Art Split Cup, and you can get that at Fluid Art Co. I will link that in the description below. This is a cup, it's freaking huge. You can do big pieces with this. I like it because of the removable chambers. So you can take these chambers in and out. You can decide how many chambers you're gonna put in there, how big the chambers are, and again, it makes cleanup super easy. So for this one, I ended up filling 2 chambers up. It's like an ocean night scene, I would call it. I had a square board. I don't have any more of the board, so I'm going to show you on a canvas. I put my pillow paint down, and the recipe I'm using is a SHELEE Art Bloom recipe, and that is also in the description below. So I've got my white pillow, but I wanted that night scene, so I loaded up this scooper with just a black paint mixed exactly like all of my other colors. I'm going to use that as my faux pillow or my background color. So I loaded this up. Put way more paint than you think you need because you don't want to run out, and whatever's left, just scrape it back out into your cup. And then I laid the black down over that white pillow, so now we've got a black base to do our split cup on. For the split cup, I wanted the ocean at the bottom and then some cloud areas up at top. So I filled this up with different colors in 2 of the chambers, and you'll see the colors in the video. And then I just ran this split cup back and forth. I didn't really want my lines, doing any zigzags or anything. I wanted it pretty straight. So I would run the paint all the way off the canvas and then come back the other way, and I kept doing that. I did 3 up here at the top. One of them went over the side when I was spinning it. I used too much paint. So after we have our colors laid out, it came in with a palette knife, and I had a black SHELEE Art Cell Activator on the back of it, and I just made a couple swipes through it. Now, I do a lot of swiping. I like the split cup because it already pre-mixed my base colors. I didn't have to swipe over those base colors to get them mixed together because they were already mixed from being in the split cup together, which I really like. So I'll probably be using this a lot more for this style of pour. So I came in, did a couple cell activator swipes through it, did a couple cell activator swipes through the cloud parts, and that was it. So it's a really easy pour. If you have any type of split cup, I'd definitely give this a try. I think it has a really cool look. It's got negative space. It's got shimmer from the Piggies. So definitely give it a try. Super easy. As always, premiering directly after me is Creations with Tanya, followed by Grandma Kathy's Art Venture, and their videos are in the description below, so please check them out. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.